name is Regina Taylor, and I am the Senior HR Officer for Learning and Development here at Barita Investments Limited. And we would have done an onboarding presentation today with our interns of the Barita 2025 Summer Internship Program. We're excited to have these interns on board with us. Last year we had a few of them and they're returning. And this year we have the winner of the Skills Optimization Challenge, Mr. Michael Coate Jr., who is joining us as well. We look forward to seeing each intern grow and the contributions they will make during their time here.
My name is Shanika Mahaber. This is my second summer doing an internship with Barita, and we had lots of questions that we had to ask, and they had no problem explaining them and going down to the details. I think last year that's what stood out to me about their process of internship, the way how they go about introducing you to how they work, their values, what to expect from them and from yourself to them. I'm excited about the work environment. Like, you'd always hear people talk about how, oh yeah, work is fun and work, work and play. But at Barita, they actually embody work and play, which I realized last year.
So my name is Malik Granderson. This is my second time on the Barita Internship Program. My experience last year was fun. It was engaging. I learned a lot of new things, learned how to be more responsible, how to be on top of things. And this year I'm looking forward to learning even more and to develop even more, not just in the business world, but also as a person and life in general.
This is more than just an internship. It's a part of our broader mission of building the talent pipeline and investing in Jamaica. Barita is investing in Jamaica, and Barita continues to empower our youth.